It's actually quite a lovely, bright apartment here. Got 3 different windows. A lot of space. It is a studio, but there's a little space here for a desk, and has a pretty bright window. We have a closet here. And there's the rest of the room. This closet doesn't have a whole lot of space. I guess it's a linen closet. But unfortunately the lights are turned off in the rest of the apartment, so we get to see the bright part here with the natural light. And then we get to the dark part. Let's see if my video adjusts. We got a full kitchen with a microwave, range, dishwasher, massive fridge, lots of little cabinets and things. And here's the full closet. It's in the hall. It's even darker in here, but it's all black. It's a full closet. By the door as you come in. This is the door, and here's a dark bathroom because there is no light in here. It's a very nice bathroom. Take my word for it. I will actually take some pictures with a flash, and hopefully I can send those to you. 917-721-0202, Christopher Butt with the Corcoran Group and a studio on the Upper West Side. Fully amenitized building, except I think there's a gym, there's laundry, there's a roof deck, there's a private viewing room. You can have your friends over and watch movies, eat popcorn, all that fun stuff. Full-time doorman concierge, and it's a pretty decent building, reasonable as well on the Upper West Side.